Okay, so guys, in this example, I'm going to do another application. So I'm going to read it to you, then I'm going to draw a picture and label everything and just write down the information. So this is a key part of solving word problems like this. Okay, so I want you to do the same thing as I'm reading the problem. Write down the information as I'm reading it and then draw a picture. Okay, so here we go. So it says maintenance consultants needs to apply fertilizer to a customer's lawn. The lawn is 223.4 feet long and 132.8 feet wide. The fertilizer costs $0.004 per dollars, so $0.004 per square foot to apply. What is the cost of applying the fertilizer? Use the formula A equals L times W. Okay? The area will be expressed in square feet. Okay? So write down the information. So again, what do we know? We know that the lawn is in the shape of a rectangle. We know the length of the lawn is 223.4 feet. We know the width of the lawn is 132.8 feet. We know that the fertilizer costs $0.004 per square foot to apply. Okay? We also know the formula for the area of a rectangle, length times width. Okay? So we need to find the total cost. Okay? So and the total cost equals total number of square feet times the cost per square foot. Okay? So again, let's write out our rectangle. So again, now using the information that you wrote down, let's fill in the rectangle. Okay? So that's the cost to apply the fertilizer to the lawn. Okay, so now we want to find the cost. We want to find the total cost, right? So first we need to find the area because this is the cost per unit area, right? So again, this is where you need to make sure you keep your units, okay? So we've got this length, this width. So we know it's a rectangle, so we can find the area easily. Area equals length times width, right? So let's say this is the length, this is the width. So the area is going to be what? 223.4 times 132.8. And again, this is feet times feet, which is feet squared, right? So now, you can put this in your calculator, right? So if you put this in your calculator and multiply, you're going to get the area. Right? So make sure you know how to use your calculator. So if you use your calculator, you get 29,667.52. And since it's feet times feet, we get square feet, or feet squared. And now, what is the cost? Now the cost is what? This is what they're charging for every square foot. Well, we have this many square feet. So it's another multiplication problem. So the cost is going to be the area, right? Or let's call it total cost. That's going to be confusing. Let's call it total cost, T. Is going to be the area times cost. this cost. So this is going to be what? Area, think about it. This is 29,667.52 feet squared times now think about this. This is dollars over feet squared. So this is like a division, right? This slash is like a division. So if they're charging $0.004 per area, right? Which is feet squared. Well, we've got here, you could think of this as over 1, right? Well, when you multiply this square feet is going to cancel with this square feet. So these units will cancel and you end up with dollars, which is what we want. We want total cost. So the units work out. So that's a good check to do. Do the units make sense? In this case, yes. So that tells me we're on the right track. So now all I have to do is multiply these two numbers in my calculator. And what do I get? I get $118.67 rounded to the nearest penny. And that's the answer. So that's how much it's going to cost to put fertilizer on this lawn. And that's it. Have a great day.